guys! Good afternoon! How are you today? I hope you are fine again, right? E aí, gostaram de aprender the letters last class? Então, nós começamos aprendendo duas letrinhas, right? Letter A for apple and letter B for bus. E que tal nós aprendermos mais uma letter in English? Primeiro, first, let's sing the alphabet song. Vamos cantar a music do alphabet.
Float away. C cat, I love to pet my cat. D duck, he says quack, quack, quack. E egg, hatch into a baby. F fish, swimming in the sea. G goat, on the mountain up so high. H hat, keeps the sun from my eyes. I vanilla sundae with the cherry. My favorite is raspberry. K kite, soaring high with its train. L lion with the big fluffy mane. M monkey, swinging in the trees. N nest, birds nestled in the leaves. O owl, flying out at night. P parrot, his colors are so bright. Q queen, the ruler of the land. So soft against my hand. S sun, shining right down on my face. T turtle, slow and steady wins the race. U umbrella, it helps to keep me dry. B violin, brings a tear to my eye. W whale, so beautiful and big. X xylophone, let those beautiful notes sing. Y yogurt, makes a yummy breakfast food. Z black and white with hooves. We sang all of the ABCs. Thanks for singing my song with me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC, 26 letters from A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC, 26 letters from A to Z.
Very good! Eu tenho certeza de que vocês já sabem cantar essa musiquinha toda. Perfect! Então, vamos aprender one more sound letter, the letter sound. Nós já sabemos the letter A. A is for apple. Repeat. A is for apple. And we know letter B. B is for bus. Bus. Hoje a teacher vai acrescentar one more letter. The letter, this animal aqui, do you know them? It's a cat. So we write cat. Nós escrevemos com a letter C. So let's repeat. C is for cat. C is for cat. Very good. Agora vamos fazer the activity in our books. Nós sabemos que a letter A is for apple, B is for bus, and C is for cat. Então agora, you can take your books. Você pode pegar o seu book and open to this page. Abra nessa page, 19. We have letter C. And C está contornado de red. So, you can paint. Você pode pintar a letrinha C de red. And here, I have A, B, C. But a teacher colocou aqui fora de ordem. Take a look. Bus, apple, and cat. Que tal a gente connect, ligar a letrinha, a palavra que começa com ela? So, A is for apple, B is for bus, and C is for cat. Bem fácil, isn't it? Good luck, boa sorte no seu exercise, and see you next class. Bye bye!